Want to start a faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? In this video, you'll get the exact step-by-step blueprint to launch your channel from scratch, even if you're a total beginner. I'll show you what actually matters, what most tutorials completely miss, and how to monetize your channel so it becomes a real profitable business.
I'll reveal exactly how to leverage AI to create passive income through an insanely profitable faceless YouTube channel where AI handles all the tedious tasks and streamlines content creation. No expensive outsourcing and zero filming required. Here's something most people don't realize. The average YouTube channel earns about $10,000 a month from ads alone. However, in reality, they're usually earning much more than that from other income streams. Stick around to the end to find out how YouTube channels actually earn money.
Let's take a look at some channels already crushing it. If we come here to analytics, we can see the revenue for the last 28 days. $92,000 for Mr. Nightmare, $11,000 for AI Revolution, $52,000 for the Daily Aviation, $32,000 for Luxury Zone, and $19,000 for Weird History.
These aren't random figures. They've been verified through Nexlev, a powerful analytics tool trusted by successful creators for tracking earnings and growth. Now you're probably wondering, how do I start? The secret to success is choosing the niche. But the good news is, I've done all the heavy lifting for you. One niche that's exploding right now is AI-related news. If we look at Google Trends for AI, we see massive consistent growth, meaning guaranteed demand. And the reason is obvious, because AI is expanding rapidly into every aspect of our lives.
Like wildfire through a dry forest.
Channels like AI Revolution and AI Search are already banking over $10,000 a month and pulling in millions of views. I've spent countless hours deeply analysing the top performing channels in this niche. I've dissected their content strategies and I've identified exactly what's working, and I've distilled it into a proven blueprint.
Now that we've nailed our niche, it's time to set up your AI-powered YouTube channel step by step, so grab a coffee and settle in. First, let's quickly set up your channel. This step is straightforward and is quicker than assembling an IKEA chair. Head to youtube.com, be logged in, click on Create Channel, top right, and choose your channel's name. Don't get too hung up on the name. It will not make or break your channel.
Having said that, if your channel name is easy to understand and clearly tied to your niche, it will help people understand what you're about and to find you again easily. AI can help you with this.
Ask ChatGPT or Claude to come up with a list of suggestions. Something like AI Insights, Tech Buzz, or Future AI will work. I've already got a name in mind, which is Matrix, a play on words. Now, having a great name alone isn't enough.
Without powerful branding, your channel could get lost in the crowd, like a snowflake in a blizzard. But here's the great news. You don't need any graphic design skills or expensive designers. Leonardo.ai or Ideogram both make stunning professional quality channel art effortlessly and even do text. Once you have your name, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a couple of prompts for you for your logo and your channel art. And while you're at it, ask it to write a description for your channel too. We'll be using a tool called Leonardo.ai to generate our channel art. Go to the Leonardo website. The link is in the description below, so you can sign up for a free account and follow along. You'll get 150 credits on a daily basis for free with Leonardo. Once you're in, go to Image Creation, then select Phoenix 1 as the model. Then for Style, click and choose Graphic Design Vector. And then for Image Dimensions, choose 16 by 9. And then copy your ChatGPT prompt for your channel art and paste it in the prompt box. Hit generate and Leonardo will generate 4 versions for you at a time. Choose the one you like the best. I like this one, and then do the same for your logo. You may have to run it a few times. This is the one I like, so I'll download that. Now we need to upscale our channel art, so we'll go to pixelcut.ai, free image upscaler, and upload our channel art. Upscale to 2 times, and then download. And now it's ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So go to Customize Channel and upload both your channel art and your channel logo, and also grab the description that we did earlier and paste that in there as well, and then hit publish and view your channel, and just like that your channel is ready to go. Professional looking channel art boosts your channel's trustworthiness and credibility, but a good looking channel alone won't make you money. Let's move on to creating viral videos. Pay close attention here, this is crucial. The truth is that the success of your videos hinges entirely on the strength of your ideas. A powerful idea can go viral even with simple visuals, but a weak idea won't get clicks. Think of ideas like seeds. A powerful idea can grow into a massive tree,
even with simple execution.
But a weak idea, it won't even sprout. In the AI niche, you're in luck because there's never a shortage of hot topics. But remember,
a topic alone is not enough.
You need a unique, compelling angle. So how do you find one? Well, there are two established strategies.
First, analyze the top performing AI channels. Look at their most popular recent videos, identify what's working, then replicate these ideas, but add your own fresh twist.
Second, stay ahead of the pack by constantly monitoring multiple news sources. Being among the first to cover breaking developments in AI will significantly increase your video's visibility and its potential virality.
Like being the first to arrive at a gold rush.
Now you've got a good idea, but without nailing the next step, it's worthless. Let's dive into the most critical component now, creating a viral script. Listen closely. The script is the make or break factor of your video idea's success. Even average visuals can go viral with a powerful script, but a weak script will cause viewers to click away faster than customers fleeing a restaurant after a bite of bad food. We're going to use a powerful all-in-one tool called DupDub.ai to automate our script writing process. Here's exactly how.
Find a successful video, like AI Revolution's viral clip about the first ever general AI agent, Manus. Paste its URL directly into DupDub.ai and it will quickly extract the transcript for you. Next, let DupDub rewrite that script to ensure it's fresh, original and highly engaging.
Why is the script so essential? It's simple. It's to do with watch time. Higher quality scripts engage more, increase watch time. This signals to YouTube to push your video out more and more, like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering mass and momentum. Master your script, master the algorithm. Have your title more or less decided, but later on we will see how to optimize it to turn it into a click magnet. We've got our killer script, but without a voice it's nothing. So now we go to the next step of generating an AI voiceover and avatar. And this part is shockingly easy. And again, we turn to DupDub.ai.
In DupDub, you can easily go from your new script directly to the AI voiceover section just by clicking the Generate AI Voiceover button, which even opens up with your new script loaded and ready to generate speech for. Select a voice.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
And hit generate.
Let's discuss the hottest topic in the AI space right now. A new autonomous agent called Manus. If you've been keeping up with the recent AI hype, you may have encountered phrases like GPT moment, DeepSeek moment, the intern that never sleeps.
But it gets
or the
even better.
universal hype.
DupDub.ai lets you use hyper-realistic AI avatars, giving your video a professional feel without ever stepping in front of a camera. This hooks viewers from start to finish. Let's choose this one who looks really convincing.
Let's discuss the hottest topic in the AI space right now. A new autonomous agent called Manus.
Now we've got the script, voiceover and avatar, we're just missing visuals and sound. The beauty of news videos is that you can typically grab images and footage directly from the subject's website, social media or Discord, etc., just as is the case with Manus. If we keep the clips short, we use them for an original commentary and we credit the source of the footage, this would normally be considered repurposed content, which which is allowed on YouTube. Combine that with royalty-free clips from sites like Pikzels and Pixabay, and the visuals are sorted. For music, grab royalty-free tracks from Pixabay or generate original background music instantly using Suno, the AI music generator, link in the description. You can generate about 10 songs a day for free. DupDub even helps with editing our video. Its built-in video editor lets you import your footage, avatar and audio, and is packed with transitions, text overlays and cinematic effects. Stick with DupDub if you're new. It's easy, reliable and effective. But if you're ready for advanced edits, CapCut is your go-to free option. There's a link in the description. If you want a pro tip when editing, sync transitions between clips to your voiceover for maximum engagement. It makes everything flow smoothly. Now let's see our final video in action.
Let's discuss the hottest topic in the AI space right now, a new autonomous agent called Manus. If you've been keeping up with the recent AI hype, you may have encountered phrases like GPT moment, DeepSeek moment, the intern that never sleeps, or the universal hand. These buzzwords all refer to Manus, a groundbreaking product from the Chinese startup Monica. It has been widely discussed on social media and technology websites in recent days. So, what exactly is Manus? In short, it is being described as the world's first truly general AI agent. While there are many AI assistants and chatbots available that can answer questions, generate text, or provide coding suggestions, Manus claims to go a step further. It can actually plan tasks, execute them, and deliver final results.
Looking
Imagine it as an
great.
intern.
You've now got a viral-worthy AI-driven video, but hold on.
Without a banger thumbnail, we're not going anywhere. It's like a book without a cover. Head to Pikzels and let AI craft an amazing, attention-grabbing thumbnail in seconds. A hot time-saving tip is to download your script from DupDub, feed it into ChatGPT, and ask it to generate some prompt ideas that transmit the message of the script. And then take the ones you like, pop them into the prompt field in Pikzels, and hit generate. Tweak the prompt until it's perfect. There's a link in the description to Pikzels. Now you could try other AI image generators for your thumbnails. However, Pikzels is designed just to create clickable thumbnails.
And personally, I've spent a lot of time with other AI image generators, and in my experience, Pikzels is a lot quicker than using other image generators to get a half-decent result when they're not specifically designed from the ground up to create eye-catching thumbnails. So I would really recommend it because it's going to save you a lot of time. And if you had to contract a thumbnail designer, you'd find that it's not cheap at all. Okay, so our video is ready to upload. We can upload it directly to YouTube, but listen carefully. Just uploading isn't enough. You must optimize your title, description, and tags. For that, use VidIQ, your secret weapon for explosive growth. It's like putting rocket fuel in your video's engine. Craft click-worthy titles and SEO-rich descriptions that guarantee views. VidIQ is literally one of the most essential AI tools for any YouTuber out there. And just in case you don't have an account, you can try it out with my link in the description. And the top tip is to always add end screens and cards during your video, pointing to other videos of yours to promote binge watching of your channel's videos. Once you've done all of that, select public, hit the publish button and pop the champagne. You've officially launched.
Are y'all ready to pop some champagne?
Now all you need to do is rinse and repeat. So to recap, what you need to do, make a note of this list. 1. Find your killer idea. Use a combination of inspiration from other channels in your niche, keeping your finger on the pulse, and using VidIQ to find hot keywords. 2. Write your script with DupDub. 3. Generate your voiceover with DupDub. 4. Generate your avatar with DupDub if you want to use an avatar. 5. Source your clips and music. 6. Edit everything together in DupDub or CapCut. 7. Upload and optimize with VidIQ. 8. Rinse and repeat. 9. Grow and monetize. And you must be asking, how do I monetize this thing? Well, as promised, I'll explain it in full detail because there's plenty of ways to make bank with a YouTube channel. Expect to make $5 to $7 per 1,000 views once you hit the ads partner program criteria, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. While you're waiting for ads monetization, you can do affiliate marketing by reviewing the latest AI tools. And trust me, if you review tools that you sincerely think are good, people will sign up to them. Then there's sponsorships, which can be very lucrative. Partner up with AI and tech brands hungry for exposure. Brands are always looking for influencers like you to be their megaphone. You can also launch your own digital products or courses, like AI for Beginners, for example. This is something that you make once, but you can sell over and over again. And then you can offer high-value consulting services to businesses or individuals eager for your insights.
And not forgetting merch like books, t-shirts and mugs, as well as channel memberships. Not forgetting building your own email list. If you offer your viewers a tempting freebie, you can build a list of followers who you can email whenever you want, some of whom will buy services you offer or products that you recommend. So set yourself the goal of switching on these income streams, one after the other, either some or even all of them, and eventually you'll have a running business with multiple income streams. And if you can build a big email list, you can eventually become entirely independent of YouTube, which should be your ultimate goal, and your business is always running. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. This is how the rich stay rich.
They make money from assets around the clock. Your YouTube channel is exactly that, a digital asset.
Earning you passive income 24/7. But here's the deal. Consistency isn't optional. It's critical. Regular uploads push your videos to a wider audience. Worried about time? Don't be.
AI automates most steps, minimizing your workload. You've now got the ultimate strategy for fighting back against AI disruption by leveraging AI itself. This is your blueprint to regain control and build your financial future. Ready to take action?
DupDub.ai is the Swiss Army knife that streamlines your entire process. To use it, sign up through my link below for an exclusive 10% discount, possibly your smartest investment this year. If this helped, smash the like, comment below,
subscribe for more powerful strategies, and you'll find full written instructions of what I've just shown you with all the steps and the links in the description below, in the show notes. AI is already making people rich. Now it's your turn. Adapt, automate, achieve financial freedom. Start today.